Okay, welcome to our next episode for Scratch, and today we're going to be looking at procedures and creating variables. Can you tell what shape this will make when I click the button? So we're going to put the pen down and repeat these steps 4 times. I'm going to click it. Have you got it? That's right, it's a square. Okay, now what we can do is we can take this over here and we can create what's known as a procedure. So to do that, we're going to go to More Blocks. We're going to click on Make a Block. And for this, we're going to choose a suitable name. Now this makes a square, so we're going to call it a square. Click on OK, and you'll see we have this purple block here that says Define Square. Now we're going to bring this over here like so. And we still have our event. So what we're going to do is we can actually add a square. So when we click this button, can you see it will draw a square every time we click this button? Okay, now let's clear this. Excellent. So now what we're going to do, we're going to draw a square. We're going to turn right 15 degrees and we are going to draw another square. Okay, but this time we're going to use our repeat commands. So let's repeat this 10 times and see what happens. Okay, can you see he's moving 15 degrees and he's drawing a square every 15 degrees. So if we do 24 times, because 24 times 15 will be our 360, which will give us a full circle. Let's have a look at this to see where this goes. And it gives us a full circle and it looks like a very nice pattern like this. So that's what happens when we define a variable. It's called a procedure, and we can call this procedure as many times as we want when we set it up like so. For your task today, what you're going to do is you are going to create a custom block, a procedure to create a rectangle. I'll show you what it will look like. Something like this. You're going to create a rectangle. I've used 100 steps and 50 steps. So 100 steps and 50 steps is what I've used. You can use the same. So you're going to create a rectangle, and you're also going to create the same pattern that we just did using a square. You're going to do that using a rectangle, and I'll show you how that will look over here. Let's put this here. Okay, now once you've done that, I also would like you to create a line that comes all the way down that makes this look a bit like a lollipop. Try that now. Let's have a look. So this is your task. Your task is to create the rectangle, and then you're going to create the pattern that we've got here using your repeat commands, and you're going to turn it 15 degrees like the example that we showed at the beginning of the video. And then you're going to have a line that goes straight to the bottom of the page like a lollipop, just like this. Okay, once you've done that, if you can take a screenshot or a photo of your screen and upload that to your Google Classroom. Okay, if you hold on for a minute, I will show you the answers at the end of this video. Okay, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing your designs.